In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, the Dodge Challenger. From its bold design to its roar on the road, the Challenger has been a staple in American performance cars since 1970. The first thing that stands out about the Challenger is its aggressive stance. From the signature split grille to the muscular, wide body, the Challenger looks like it's ready to pounce. And this car isn't just about looks. Under the hood, it packs some serious muscle. You can choose from a variety of engine options, starting with the 3.6-liter V6 in the base model, perfect for those looking for a bit of power without going overboard. But if you want to feel the raw American muscle, you've got options like the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 on the Scat Pack, and for those truly seeking the next level, the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi Hellcat with an insane 707 horsepower. When you press the gas pedal, you don't just feel the power, you hear it. The sound of that engine is pure music to a muscle car enthusiast's ears, a deep rumble that tells everyone on the road you mean business. Step inside, and you'll see that Dodge has perfected the balance between vintage muscle car charm and modern technology. The interior features retro-styled dials and the iconic T-handle shifter, giving you that classic muscle car feel. But don't worry, you're not stuck in the past. The Challenger comes equipped with the Uconnect infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system so you can enjoy your music while cruising down the highway. The cabin is comfortable, with plenty of space for both the driver and passengers, and the quality materials give it a refined feel without taking away from the rugged, raw character you expect from a muscle car. Plus, the Challenger has modern tech features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning, making it surprisingly practical for everyday driving. But here's the real kicker, the Challenger's driving experience. Despite its size and weight, this car handles remarkably well, especially if you opt for the Scat Pack or Hellcat versions with their wider tires and enhanced suspension. It feels responsive on the road, carving through turns with more precision than you'd expect from a muscle car. Of course, the Challenger excels in straight-line speed. Whether you're launching off the line or tearing down a freeway, the acceleration will pin you back in your seat every time. But what really makes the Challenger special is its legacy. While other muscle cars like the Pontiac GTO or the Ford Mustang have evolved or disappeared over the years, the Challenger has remained true to its roots. It's a perfect blend of retro and modern, offering a nod to the past while giving us everything we love about performance cars today. So is the Dodge Challenger the last true muscle car? For me, it's hard to argue against it. The Challenger embodies everything that makes muscle cars great: power, attitude, and an unmistakable soul. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Would you take a Challenger over the newer, tech-heavy cars on the market? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews and deep dives into legendary cars. I'll see you in the next one.